Hello, ma'am. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Nina Casquito, 40 years old, and I have 2 children.
How old is your children?
My daughter is 20 years old, and my son is 18 years old.
Okay. So can you tell me your working experience, where you've been working before?
I'm working as a domestic helper, ma'am, in United Arab Emirates as 2 years contract, ma'am.
Okay. So how many members in the family you serve and you work in Dubai?
9 person, ma'am.
Okay. So how many children were there?
4, ma'am.
How old the children are?
One is newborn baby, 1 or 3 years old, and 7 years old and 9 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So how many maids were there?
Total are 9, ma'am.
How many maids?
Only 1, ma'am.
Okay. And then can you tell me your own job and responsibilities when you work inside the house?
Cleaning, washing, vacuum, mop, and more take care of the baby and cooking also.
Okay. Is the baby sleeping with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you also cook?
Yes, ma'am.
So what kind of food you cook?
Arabic food, ma'am.
Okay. You decide your own what to cook or with the instructions of madam?
Instruction with my madam.
Okay. Like for example, in Chinese cooking, I will give you a menu or recipe book. Can you manage to follow and cook that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how you take care of the children?
I take care of them like see my own children.
Okay.
Take a bath for daily and giving food, changing diaper, and take a bath for daily, ma'am.
Okay. Can you fetch the child to go to the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how about tutoring a children's homework or assignments?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
manage to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then you also experienced before how to take care of pets.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of pets do you like to take care?
Dog, ma'am.
How about taking care of cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how about doing car washing? Did you experience before how to do car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then now the future employer is watching and listening to you. What you can say something to the future employer?
Mom, please do hire me because I need this job for the future of my children.
Okay. So are you physically fit right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anytime are you ready to be there in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.